Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix YouTube only working on Wi-Fi. First off, let's open YouTube on our device. You can then head over to your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen and then head over to the gear icon on the top right of the screen. Here, try to find data saving and then make sure that data saving mode is turned off. And also head over to video quality and make sure that higher picture quality is turned on on video quality on mobile networks. You can also head over to your phone settings, scroll down to apps, and scroll all the way down to find YouTube. Here under YouTube, tap on mobile data and make sure that allow background data uses is turned on. This should help you use mobile data with YouTube. You can also try clearing the data and cache on YouTube. You can also try heading over to storage and clearing data and cache of YouTube. If the problem still persists, you may have to restart your phone and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.